Welcome this video. Title: Choosy, Rustic, Smart, Rust House Design in the Philippines. Introducing the Philippines with its strange natural beauty and warmth. Hospitality is a popular destination of traveling, escape, relax, and respond from the daily decline. A small rest house in the Philippines, often a project escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, allowing you to connect with natural and enjoy the security of the countryside. Wing explored the rustic of smart rest house design in the Philippines and the factor to consider when building your very often retreat. Open flow plan incorporated open flow plan into the design is a common and practical feature of smart rest house in the Philippines. This design element allowing of better air circulation and maximize natural lights create a feel of spaciousness. Moreover, it provides an uninterrupted connected to the outdoor, often breathtaking view of the surrounded natural beauty.